Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see whether we need to season this grinding stones for the wet grinder. See here, recently I purchased, uh, let me take out this. Okay, this is, so I'll be removing this one also. Okay, yeah, this is Prestige Ultima Pro wet grinder which I purchased recently. And if you can see the stones, the grinding stones have some dust or powderish sort of thing, so it is not good for this to use directly as it is, because this will get into the food material what we grind in this. So initially what I'll do is, before using this, I'll be cleaning both this drum and also these stones initially. Okay, see here, initially without using the soap, what I'll do is I'll clean it thoroughly. So I'm not using any dishwasher or something like that, just with the normal hands I'm doing this. Okay, this is the lock. Okay, so that until this gets totally cleaned up. Just leave this until it is fully dry. Okay, this should be fully dry because we're using this for the first time, so let it dry this fully. Okay, after that I'll be placing it over here and I'll be switching on this. Okay, here is the power supply. Yeah, okay, see here, this is the user manual which is given with the product, this Prestige Ultima Pro wet grinder. So here there are some clear instructions that what you need to do and what you need to avoid. For not only for this wet grinder, for any wet grinder, your brand will provide this what is this user manual that will tell you how you can exactly use and do's and don'ts. And here I'll tell you few points. Never use this drum empty, means don't just grind this with the empty stones. Okay, okay, when you have this, when you put, okay, right, okay, you no need to power on the switch and operate this with the empty stone, because this will get damaged to do if you do that. And many people, when you're seasoning, usually when you season this mortar and pestle, what you'll do is you'll put some raw rice and you'll grind this here. But the same thing many people will think we can do that on this wet grinder also, but here the name itself is wet grinder, so dry grinding is not intended with this machine. So you shouldn't dry grind anything. That is what mentioned in the user manual, as I read the user manual. Yeah, okay, I'll show you that one. So in this video I'll also tell you how I did the initial seasoning before using this for the first time. And this is not a recommendation video for you to do that, just follow your user manual whatever it may be. Please do not use your wet grinder for dry grinding needs. See here, the content to be grounded must be soaked. So what I did is I soaked this rice. This is the raw rice. I soaked it for 5 hours. Now for the initial use I'll be grinding this, but this is not to consume, I'll just throw it away. Okay, just for this pre-seasoning purpose I'm doing this. Okay, so grinding as a safety precaution, do not handle the electric plug, and never clean the drum rollers by keeping it on the machine. You need to take this out and clean, as we just did that. Okay, these are the points I want to show you. What I'll do is, first, before operating this, I'll take some water. Okay, I'll put some water. Okay, then I'll be turning this on. So now what I'll do is slowly I'll add this rice without the water, as I already put some water here. So this is for the seasoning purpose. Okay, so whatever the dust or something which is accumulated on these grinding rods or at the base, those will get removed. Okay, maybe 5 to 10 minutes I'll just grind this, but this is not for, remember, this is not for eating. Okay, this is just for pre-seasoning purpose. So if your brand already mentioned that is pre-seasoned, don't do this process, or else just by cleaning only, by cleaning 2 to 3 times, you can directly use. That is absolutely your choice. And once again I'm saying, this video is not recommended for you to do this. Just I'm showing you my way of doing this. I forgot to tell you one thing. Always lock this lock at the top, before you putting on this at the top, before you putting on this, before you turning the operating switch on, you always need to lock it properly. Okay, lock it tight enough. Okay, yeah, now it is tight enough, right? Okay, yeah, this is what you need to remember. I just forgot this. Okay, please do remember this part. Okay, yeah, see here, this got some slightly reddish color, right? So whatever the stone dust or whatever the dust which is here with the stones or at the base, this all got removed and added to that substance or the material. So now I can remove this, clean it properly, and next time I can use it for regular food grinding purpose. If this video helps, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And the grinding is very smooth, very smooth. I just switch off the power. Okay, never put your hand before switching off the power at the main socket level. Okay.